Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You will start by ensuring Homebrew and Android platform tools are present. This gives you a DB. Once installed, connect your phone via USB-C or adapter and unlock the screen. You must enable developer options and USB debugging on the device so a DB can authenticate. Make sure to accept the RSA fingerprint when prompted. Now open Terminal, run a DB devices to verify a connected device shows as device. If it shows unauthorized, return to the phone and accept the prompt. Once your device appears, you can run practical commands. Use a DB install to load an APK quickly. If you see install failed, check storage and APK signature. Use a DB shell to open a Unix-like prompt for inspecting logs or running PM and M commands. This is how you manage packages and services. For files, a DB push copies from Mac to device and a DB pull retrieves files. Make sure to prefix with / if using relative paths in terminal, and keep the device unlocked during transfers. To finish, uninstall temporary tools or revoke authorizations if you no longer need debugging. If the device disappears, restart the DB server with a DB kill server then a DB start server. This often clears stale connections. You can reboot the device via a DB reboot to apply changes. As a key troubleshooting tip, run a DB logcat to collect logs when something fails. Reading the error lines clarifies permission or runtime issues. If USB fails, try a different cable or a direct Mac USB port rather than a hub.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.